It's Nashi and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe for more videos and click the bell icon to get all the notifications. So as you can read on the title, in today's video I will be showing you the tools that I usually use on my nail art videos, such as dotting tools and nail art brushes. I will start with the dotting tools. I have this set of 5 dotting tools for so long. I don't know where I bought it, but if you want to buy a set like this, you can search on eBay or AliExpress. They probably have one like this. Each dotting tool has a different dot size in each side. Don't know if you can see, but it has different sizes. This one here is great for marble, but I never tried. I usually use this one here. It has a small medium dot size, and this is a big dot. I will show you this on a paper. I usually only use this dotting tool because it has the perfect sizes for me. To be honest with you, I think I never used this for dotting tools. I really use this one a lot, as you can see on my videos. Then I have this dotting tool here. It came in a set of 14 or 13 nail art tools. I have a review of that set and I will leave a link in the description box. I call this the tiny dotting tool, and why? Because it is really small when comparing to this one. It looks similar to this one, but if you can see, if you take a closer look, this one is a little bit bigger and round, and this one is more flat. I don't like the dot, so forget it. Now that I've talked about my dotting tools, it's time to talk about my nail art brushes. So my favorite nail art brush type is this one. This is a detail brush. I usually use this one. It came in a set of 3 different sizes detail nail art brushes, this one here, and I usually use this one. I think I never used this two before, I'm not really sure, but I use this to create basically all my designs. I bought at AliExpress. Now moving to my MacLeod brush, this one here. It has, let me show you, it has a little angle. Let me see if you can see. It has a little angle there. I really like to use this to clean around my nail when I'm painting my nails. I like to clean around it. You can also use a flat brush, but when comparing to this, I think this one is so much easier to do its job. Now, you can still do with a flat brush, but you know, it looks so perfect to clean around the nails, you see? So I use this. By the way, this nail art brush came in the same set, so feel free to have a look at the review. I will test that with some nail polish too, because you can paint your nails with it too. Now the fan brush. I really like to use this to create ombre gradient nail arts, but you can use a makeup sponge as well. So it came in the same set as these two. So it's all for today's video. I hope this was helpful for you and you enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment, and I see you in my next video.